Hey guys, so my bad. The homework, you will have remainders. And so what I like about this problem is, first of all, it has two pieces to it, which we're not usually dealing with. And both pieces you're gonna end up having a remainder. So this is actually supposed to be plus 1x. So I'm gonna see if I can just write over that. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, because basically we're doing the same thing, but we're gonna just add our remainder at the end. There we go. Okay. So remember, first step is just to set it up into long division form. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to have x squared plus 1x. So plus x plus 1. And then I want to see that go into 2x cubed. And then notice how I don't have an x squared here. You want to have a placeholder for everything. So I'm going to do plus 0x squared, because if I add 0x squared, it actually doesn't do anything. It's just adding 0. And, adding 0 to anything doesn't change it. So I'm just creating a placeholder for x squared, and then minus x plus 1. So whenever, again, you want to have each exponent present. So starting with the leading term here is 2x cubed. So the degree is 3. So then I also want to include degrees 2, 1, up until the constant, okay? So now that I have that there, I'm going to go ahead and draw my division sign, because I don't think this has one. Sorry, it looks crappy. All right, now I'm going to start by dividing. So I want to see how many times, what I need to multiply x squared by to get to 2x cubed. Well, 2x cubed divided by x squared is 2x. So what I'm going to do now, put a 2x up here. And I'm going to multiply 2x by each piece. So 2x times x squared becomes 2x cubed. That's what I want. And then 2x times x is 2x squared. So 2x cubed plus 2x squared. And then 1 times 2x is 2x. So now that I have that, I'm going to subtract my terms. So those cancel. 2x, so 0 minus 2x squared is going to be negative 2x squared. So I'm just trying to make up my mind. So I'm going to have negative 2x squared left. And then I am going to have 1x, negative 1x minus 2x is negative 3x. And then I'm going to drop down the 1 plus 1. All right, now that I have this, I need to figure out what can I multiply x squared by to get negative 2x squared? Well, I can multiply x squared by negative 2. So I'm going to multiply negative 2 to the top. So I'm going to say minus 2 for the right number. So 2x minus 2. And then I'm going to just do that same process and multiply everything by negative 2. So I get negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And then negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. All right, now this one I subtract my terms. Those are going to cancel. But negative 3 minus 2x is going to give me negative x. So I'm going to have negative x. And then 1 minus negative 2 becomes 1 plus 2, which is plus 3. I'm going to have negative x plus 3. And notice that I can't put x squared into here anymore, so this is my remainder. Remember when you guys would do division as a kid, you would have like remainder 4? Well, in this case, I'm going to have remainder negative x plus 3. This is my leftover. So how I'm going to write my solution is I'm going to have x, I'm going to take the original factor that I was dividing by, so x squared plus x plus 1. And then my new answer, which is what I got up here on top, 2x minus 2. And then I'm going to add my remainder. So this is plus negative x, so just minus x plus 3. And the reason why this isn't going to be in parentheses is because it's not a factor. This is leftover. So this is the equivalent of me saying remainder negative x plus 3. And then this is going to be your solution. So again, I apologize. All of the notes in the book had a nice remainder of 0, but all of your homework problems do not. So actually in the first 6 problems, you're always going to have a remainder. Some of them are nastier than others, so just persist. You'll be fine. I'll answer any questions on this assignment tomorrow. But go ahead, and I do want you to try 1 through 6 and get those done.